So we're at the end of the growing season for these beautiful zinnias that have done quite well this year. I'm looking down here at the leaves and I see a little powdery mildew. Powdery mildew is a fungal disease. It likes moderate temperatures and high humidity. And guess what, folks? We've had both. This is what I would do for powdery mildew at the end of the season. Nothing. I would not spray a fungicide. What I would do is, once this plant has finished producing, I would take this plant out of the ground. I wouldn't compost it, I would throw it away. So I'll practice good sanitation. Again, not compost it, throw it in the trash. What I would do over the winter time is look for resistant varieties. There are some resistant varieties out there. Look for those, and I will plant those the next year and enjoy the beautiful blooms for the rest of that year.